What's going on, everybody? So today got something really special for y'all. Been a few years since it's been done, but without further ado, let me show you this one of one 1946 Beechcraft D18. It is registered with the Smithsonian Air and Space Museum. Basically, it is beautiful. So let me go ahead and show you this thing. It is absolutely gorgeous. So I'm just going to show you from right here. It is 100% bare aluminum, and going to be working on this today and hopefully get it done today. Gonna be rocking it out, but it looks pretty from a distance, but as you can see, it's got spots on it. It's got these streaks coming on down it. This is held up for 2 years. It's held up in this condition, and let's be honest, for 2 years of this thing not being done, it looks phenomenal. It looks phenomenal. So today going to be using Exquisitemad, proprietary, exclusive metal polishes and also metal polishing processes in order to get this thing looking absolutely phenomenal. Now, something I'm going to show you right here, I've done a spot test on there. Also here, did a little bit in this little area right here, which you can kind of see the contrast from here to here a little bit, but that's what today is going to entail. So I'm going to get everything out, going to get everything started, get it rocking and rolling. It has not been replaced with anything aftermarket. This plane was flown down from Missouri for it to be polished, and last time it was done was 2 years ago, and it's held up pretty good, but as you can see, it's shining up nicely. So set the phone back up. My girlfriend, she says that I need to get switched over to an iPhone. I'm using an Android. I know it's bad, especially having a YouTube channel. So next section I'm gonna be working on is this right here. I'm gonna be moving in, continuing this process. right, everyone, so out here, day 2, and gonna be working on this airplane a little bit more. As you can see, looks great. One thing that I will tell you is that the aluminum looks fantastic. You can see right where what has been done versus what hasn't been done. You can still see the lines like up in here, but here it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks like a mirror. Coming around the backside, same thing. One thing that I will say is on this aircraft, and you can see from here that has been done versus right here where it stops. So this is before, after. Before, after. Let me back up. That way you can get a clear view of that. So yeah, but making it look good as possible, rocking through it. So I'm gonna set up the camera. I gotta get scaffolding set up and some more things, and then work around this thing. And I gotta get up here and get up there to that engine column, and then do this midsection right here up there. But I gotta climb up there, so it's gonna be some fun. So anyway, give me just a sec. So this is before, after. You could totally tell the difference there. Totally. This portion has been done. Look at that. Before, after, before, after. It's like night and day. So yeah, I'm gonna continue working. All right, everyone, so I want you to see this work in progress. It's definitely turning out beautiful. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. So what I'm about to do now is go on to the other side and continue working. So then after that, I'm gonna have to get into a somewhat physically uncomfortable position to polish underneath this wing. Just to really seal up that metal, and also to degrease this section right here and to polish that. So just keep going. Should be done here in the next 4 or 5 hours, and got a lot of work. So now wrapped up, and as you can see, turned out absolutely beautiful. Turned out gorgeous. I'm going to give you a thorough walk around here. So as you can see, wings are completely done. You can see the reflection of the clouds in here. Looks gorgeous. All this is done. Coming around, coming back. See this?